Welcome to this student-friendly 3D animated biology guide,
where we'll walk you step by step through how recombinant DNA is made with accurate, clear visuals. We open with a rotating DNA double helix, defining recombinant DNA as DNA formed by combining strands from two different sources. First, we highlight and extract the target gene of interest from the source organism's DNA in the cell nucleus. Then isolate a circular plasmid from a bacterial cell. Next, restriction enzymes cut both the target gene and the plasmid at matching specific sequence sites. The cut target gene is then fitted into the open gap in the plasmid. Next, DNA ligase seals the junctions between the two fragments, completing the full recombinant DNA plasmid. In the transformation step, the finished recombinant plasmid is inserted into a host bacterial cell, which then multiplies rapidly to create many copies of the gene and produce useful target proteins.
This revolutionary biotechnology powers many common, life-changing, real-world applications: human insulin production,
vaccine development, life-saving medicines, and improved crop yields for global agriculture.
This accurate, clear guide closes with a full summary flowchart of all steps for your convenient learning quick review.